Word. Let's select any page. So this is the page which I want to print as a PDF. So how to do that one? Go and click on the file, and here you will see in the bottom a print option. So click on that. A new window will pop up. Now here, if you go to the bottom, you can see a option PDF. If you click on this arrow, it shows open in preview, save as a PDF. So many different options. So just select save as a PDF. Third window will pop up. Here you can give the document name, say AB, and you can also define the directory where you want to save it. There is also an option if you want to protect your document, so you can click on the security option, and over here you can give required password. So let's say I want to define a password 123, verify 123. So require password to copy text, images and other content. Apply. Require password to print document. Apply. So password I keep the same 123, verify 123 and click OK. So now it shows these two password cannot be same. So let's say 234. Okay. And now you can save. Let's go to the download, and this is the PDF. Now it asks the password. So document is password protected. Please enter the password below. So password is 123. Okay, now you can see. And now if you want to copy something, again is a password protected. The second password is 234. Unlock. And now you can copy and paste. So if you want to see whether I can do that or not, see, now I can copy paste. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.